87% of Americans leave $222,000 on the table by making one wrong decision at 67 years old. You have a paid-off home, $100,000 annual income, and Social Security ready to pay you $30,000 yearly. But here's what most people get catastrophically wrong about: when to claim it. This is for education, not financial advice. But the numbers here are so clear, you need to see them. Claiming too early is one of the most expensive financial mistakes a retired person can make, and it is almost always driven by impatience, not math. Let us set the scene. You are 67 years old. Your full retirement age, what Social Security calls FRA, is also 67. So if you claim right now, you get your full benefit. No reduction. No penalty. $30,000 a year, every year, for life. Sounds like the obvious move. Here is where it gets interesting. For every year you delay claiming past your full retirement age, Social Security increases your benefit by 8%. That is not a market return. That is not a projection. That is a guaranteed statutory increase written into the law. So let us run the numbers on waiting 3 years, from 67 to 70. At 67, your benefit is $30,000 a year. Delay 1 year to 68. Your benefit becomes $32,400. Delay to 69, $34,920. That is a $7,200 annual raise, every single year, for the rest of your life, just for waiting. Now I want you to sit with the number that changes everything. Most people feel like they are losing money by waiting. They think, 3 years times $30,000. That is $90,000 I just walked away from. That feeling is real. That math, however, is wrong. Here is the actual calculation. Yes, you skip $90,000 in payments during the 3-year wait. But starting at age 70, every single year you collect an extra $7,200. Divide 90,000 by 7,200, and you break even in 12 and a half years. If you are a 67-year-old, with $100,000 in annual income, a paid-off home, and reasonably good health, the actuarial tables say there is a solid chance you live well past 82. You have $100,000 in income. That means you can cover living expenses for 3 more years without touching Social Security at all. The wait does not require sacrifice. It requires patience. And patience here is worth 8% a year, guaranteed. Let us talk about the break-even in plain terms. Think of the delay as a trade. You give up $90,000 now. In return, you receive $7,200 extra dollars every year for life. If you live to 80, that is 10 years of extra payments. $72,000 recovered. The longer you live, the more one-sided this trade becomes. And here is a detail that most articles bury. Social Security benefits are adjusted for inflation every year through cost of living adjustments, COLAs. In 2024, the COLA was 3.2%. At $30,000 a year, a 3% COLA is $900. At $37,200 a year, that same 3% COLA is $1,116. A higher base benefit compounds on itself, year after year, for the rest of your life. Now here is the flip side, because I promised to give you the honest math. But notice who we are talking about here. You earn $100,000 a year. You own your home outright. You have no mortgage, no rent, no giant housing expense eating your income. You are, by almost any measure, well positioned to wait. I will come back to one more number that surprised me. You will see exactly what I mean in the next 2 minutes. Here is the compare that puts it in plain sight. Claim at 67, you get $30,000 a year. Wait until 70, you get $37,200 a year. That gap is not trivial. Over a 20-year retirement, that gap is not a rounding error. Here is the turning point. The break-even is age 82 and a half. If you live past that, and most 67-year-olds with good health and $100,000 income will, the delayed strategy nets you more total lifetime benefits. Not by a little, by over $100,000, and climbing every year after that. This is where the math flips. You do not need to claim at 67 just because you can. Your $100,000 income plus your paid-off home means you can cover 3 more years without touching Social Security. You are letting it grow by 8% per year. You are turning the waiting period into the best guaranteed investment you will ever make. Think about what 8% guaranteed means in context. The average 10-year U.S. Treasury note yields around 4 to 4.5% right now. A typical bond fund pays 3 to 5%. A high-yield savings account? Maybe 5%, and that rate moves with the Fed. Let me show you what the full 20-year picture actually looks like. This is the number that pays off the promise I made at the top. The lifetime benefit comparison over 20 years, from 67 to 87, tells the whole story in one chart. If you claim at 67 over 20 years, from age 67 to 87, you collect $600,000 in total lifetime benefits. If you wait until 70, you miss 3 years of payments, but collect $37,200 a year for the following 17 years. But that is not the headline number. Add in the COLA compounding effect over those 20 years, and independent researchers and Social Security actuaries put the total advantage at roughly $222,000 over a 20-year retirement. $222,000 from patients. No market risk. No fees. No advisor needed. Let me be honest about the tax angle too, because a $100,000 income changes it. Your Social Security benefit may be partially taxable. At your income level, up to 85% of your Social Security benefit can be included in taxable income. This applies whether you claim at 67 or 70. Here is the mechanism most people miss entirely. This is not like adjusting a portfolio. There is no course correction later. That permanence cuts both ways. Claim too early, and that low rate is locked in for 30 years. Wait, and that high rate compounds through every COLA increase for the rest of your life. Let us talk about the paid-off home, because it is doing more work here than people realize. No mortgage means no required monthly payment. Your cash flow requirement from investment accounts or income is dramatically lower than someone paying $2,500 a month in principal and interest. The opportunity cost of waiting 3 years is effectively zero for you. You are not bleeding out financially during the delay period. You are sitting in a strong position, letting a guaranteed return accumulate. I will come back to one more number that surprised me. You will see exactly what I mean in the next 2 minutes. There is a strategy almost no one talks about, the voluntary withdrawal. It is like an undo button. The official tool for this analysis is the break-even calculator at SSA.gov. Plug in your exact benefit amount, your current age, and your expected longevity. For a 67-year-old with good health, the calculator will almost certainly confirm what the math already shows, delay. Let me give you the final picture, the one that closes the loop I opened at the start. The person who waits until 70 gets $37,200 a year, and that higher base compounds with every COLA increase for decades. Over 20 years, the math produces a $222,000 gap. That is roughly the equivalent of a guaranteed 10% annual return, tax-free, with zero market risk. Social Security's delayed retirement credit is one of the most underused financial tools in America. And for someone in your position, healthy, housed, earning well, it is almost certainly the right move. Run the numbers at SSA.gov. Cross-check your specific benefit amount with your full retirement age. If you are within the 12-month withdrawal window, know that the option exists. And if you have not claimed yet, every day you wait is worth something. Broke is a math problem. And this is the math that solves it. Now go build it. See you in the next breakdown.